Okay. Hello guys, I'm here today. We're gonna play SCP games and SCP monsters. I'm so old now. So I don't like old now. So I'm gonna make a long video again. So here's Goblin, my friend. Why you're so floating? Why is it? Come on. Why is it floating? Oh, what's that? Can I use the orange one again? Can I use orange?
Yes.
Come on, why is it lowbat? I'm making a new video again. Okay, let's go up.
Wait.
Come on, follow me.
Wait.
Come on, follow me. Come on. You know what? I'm just gonna hide there. I'm going to hide there.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Goblin joined you. And hello, I'm in a vent. Help me. I'm a monster. Why I'm so low, but stop. Okay, wait. There. Come on, help me. What's that noise? Okay, fine. Whatever. What's up? Hello, I'm here. Come on, follow me. I'm in a vent.
Wait.
Come on, I'm scared. Come on, follow me. Come on, follow me. You're taking so long, bro. Are you goblin? Okay, let's go to the vent.
Okay, wait.
Come on, follow me. I'm scared. Please. SCP-096. What is that?
Follow me.
I can't. Okay. Monster. I can't. I'm scared. No.
Follow me.
Okay. Then where is it? And then where are you?
I'm here.
And then where are you?
Ouch. Ouchie. Ouchie.
Why I'm so
Ouchie.
lagging, bro? I'm so... Uh-oh. Hello.
Don't go there.
Okay. Are you stuck? Uh-oh. Come on! Come on.
There.
Let's go! Oh, I'm scared. I don't like this place. What's that?
Stop this thing.
No, I'm just gonna close this. Stop, open it! Bro, Bacon! You're the worst ever! Stop! Deserve! You deserve it, bro! Okay. Bacon is kinda naughty, bro. He is a horrible person. Let's go up. Bye-bye, monster. Bye-bye, monster. Okay.
Stop this
What
thing.
the? I just been earlier, bro. Okay, let's go there. On SCP
Bullet.
882. Come on. Okay, what's that? Hello? Can you hear me? Why? Hey, can you hear me? Okay. Okay, the last guy here. No, I don't like this twist. This one. Okay. This is the long video, guys. We're gonna... Hello. Are you friendly? Yes. Come on, follow me, friendly. Guys, he looks like SCP-999, guys. I'm holding this cat. Oh my god, why is it so lagging? Okay. I am so lagging, bro. You know, get out here. I don't like you, cat. What's that? I don't have a gun, sorry. Okay, I'll just... Let's do that teleport. Whatever. What's that this? Wow. Are you goblin? That's mine. Nuh-uh. Hey! Okay.
Hey, where are you?
This one. What? They didn't even do nothing. Now let's go back now.
Where are you?
Then where are you two? Come on! Monster! Monster! Are you goblin? Uh-oh. Why I'm so lagging? What's that?
Hey,
Huh?
follow me. Follow me.
What the? Okay. And then where are you? Alright, here he is. Hello. Hello, sir. Oh no, this is my best friend. Hello. Hello. Ow! Ow! They didn't even friendly. Look, let's get out of here. I think the shark is not friendly now.
Follow me.
I need a shark, bro. Okay.
Right here.
Monster. Monster. SCP, boss. Monsters spawn every 8 minutes and UFO attack every 18 minutes. Okay.
Follow me.
Okay. Close there. Okay. We're gonna elevator now. Goblin. Ano goblin? Let's call it why am I so lagging?
Hello.
Monster. Okay. Monster. Okay. What's that? Wow, I've been this before. Wow. This for attacking each other. Monster.
Let's go back. Don't do anything stupid.
Yeah. Monster. Sorry. Sorry. Ah! Monster. Sorry. Ah, you're stuck. I'm just gonna knock you out. I'm sorry, my friend. Okay, come on, follow me. Hey, Goblin! Come on! Wait for me! Come on! Why you lost? Monster! Okay, wait. Monster! Okay! Okay, monster! Let's go there, come on!
Where are you?
Come on! Let's go there! Monster! Come on! I'm so scared. Follow me! Let's go! And then where are you? Oh my god, SCP-90. Then where are you?
Follow me.
Then where are you? Monster!
Follow me.
Okay, where's you gonna go? I need a word. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Come on, where is?
Where's you gonna go? Huh?
Follow.
Oh my god, why? Oh my god, why is it lagging? Why? The good,
Here.
Here? Why? You have been here.
Okay, follow me.
Okay. Ow! Monster. Oh, I need it.
Follow. Me.
Let's go there. Hello, I'm riding the train. Okay, that's there. Okay. Monster. And then where is it? Come on. Where is it? I'm making a long video, guys. Where is it? SCP-0323. Is it friendly now?
Inside them.
Ow! Hey! You locked me! Ow!
Get inside.
Help!
Bro, break containment. Get
Oh! Bye-bye! I got it.
Where are you?
Then where are you?
Follow me.
Let's go there. SCP-1123. This one. What's that? Is that a skull? Give me a skull. What's that? I think so. Oh. Oh no. Mom.
Come back here.
Oh, yeah, let's go back. Come on. Who's you gonna put? SCP-4409. Okay. Is that a flower? Is that a flower or a diamond?
Don't touch it.
Touch it! Ah!
You die.
Ow! 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 Oh! Ow! Help! Please! I'm dying. Oh my god! Okay.
Follow me.
Okay. And then where is it?
Follow me.
Okay. Monster. I'm having fun. Right? Is that a teddy bear? Can I see?
Teddy bear.
Oh! Help! No! I'm gonna... Help! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die.
Run!
Boy, my monster! What's that? Crocodile? Ow! I think they beat me. Ow! No! I think the teddy bear's friendly. I think the teddy bear's following me.
Okay, get inside there.
Whoa! I don't like. Don't open! Everyone, don't open! Don't open, bro!
Hey, follow me.
I can't! I'm scared! What's
Yeah.
up? No! I'm scared!
Come on, follow me.
I can't! I'm scared!
Yeah.
I'm scared! Monster! Hello? Hello, babe! Monster! Monster! Hello, goblin! Why I'm so lagging? Okay. Next, let's go to the vent. Awesome, I'm here dying. What? I've been here before. Okay. Next, let's go. Bye bye, monster. Sorry. Okay. What's that? Is that SCP? Did I win? Hey, let me in! Okay. Monster! I'm scared! Yo, I'm scared. It's so scary. I'm making a long video. Hello. Oh, Slash Edens, guys. Wait. Hey, look. I'm Slash Edens. Look. Monster. Monster. I'm in a vent. Hello. Can you see me? Hello. Can you see me? Monster. Can you see me in a vent, please? Okay. Hello, I'm Edens. Then where are you? You know I can see you. Then where are you? Monster. Hello, I'm in a vent, bro. I'm stuck. Come on. Come on. Can you see me? Can you see me now? Oh, bacon left. Bacon left. Bacon left. Oh. Hey, hello. Can you see me now, Bacon? Hey. Okay. Whatever. Whatever, dude. Nothing. Then where are you? Oh, monster. Monster. I think we're stuck. Come on, where are you? I'm in a vent, bro. Monster. I fell. Nuh-uh. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, monster. Hello, monster. Come on.
Leaving.
Come on. Come on. Don't leave me. What? I disconnect. Come on. Come on. Don't leave me. Come on. Join me. Monster. Okay. Okay, let's give him food. Take this. The overmonster needs a good food. Okay. I need. Okay. Then put it there. I need chicken, bro. Yo, it looks like guys, it looks like cooked burger. Okay. Give him food. Fine. This will now. Come on. Take the food. Apple, my favorite. Okay. Okay, bye-bye, monster. One. And then where is it? Okay, where is it? Is it a long video? Okay, let's go there. There's no badge where. Okay, let's go back. Huh? Wow. Okay. What's that? Okay, what is it? Ah! They falling. Wow. I don't like to fall. Nah. No. Okay. Goodbye. Woo! What's Hey. Do you wanna leave it? Hello. Are you okay? Oh, uniform. Hello. What's that? Is that uniform? Uniform? Okay. Is that SCP-096? Why is it stuck, bro? Why is it stuck? Okay, let's leave the game, guys. This one is called SCP Containment Breach Part 3 working. Okay, we're gonna restart, guys. Here we go. SCP. Okay, it looks like part 3, guys. We're gonna be part 3. Okay, we're gonna make a long video, guys. Okay, come on, let's go. Can I have a shotgun? Oh, we have a shotgun. Okay, bro, I'm bald.
Beat the orange.
Okay, fine, you orange dude. I'm an orange bald, man.
Orange.
Ads blinking, and animation. Wait. Okay, be the orange. What's that?
Follow me.
I can't. Huh? I can't be the orange one. I'm baldy, dude. Okay. What's that? Why I'm blinking my eyes, bro? Why I'm blinking? Stop. Hey, yo, stop. Okay, let's go there. What's that? Uh-oh. Stop blinking my eyes! You're gonna blinking several times, bro.
You should reset.
Okay,
And then, buddy.
Hey, I'm back to normal. Okay. I did lose the SCP card. What's that? I have a shotgun. Why? I have ammo. Why?
Hey, orange.
I can't!
The other.
The other!
What's that?
Other!
This one.
Oh, I'm so dumb, bro. Come on. Oh my god. Come on, I can't use the orange. I can't use the orange. Oh, there is. Hello, my helmet.
The hat remover.
Hat remover. This one.
Hat remover.
I can't. Oh no. I'm an orange. Okay. Okay, I'll reset now. Hey, you're so. Come on. I will use the nuh-uh. I'll use the orange one.
Nick.
What's that? I can't click the orange. They might get Udo. I can't click the orange. It's so funny.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, whatever.
Follow me.
Wait, Udo. Hey, I will.
Follow me.
What? Wait. Hello, I'm Noy. I'm Unoy. Hey, what's that? You respond there.
Follow me.
And then where are you, Udo? Why I'm so lagging? Why I'm so lagging? That looks normal, I guess. My character's normal. Okay, good. Ah! What's that? Ayan, sleeping. Hey. Whoa. Uh-oh. Why I'm so lagging? Uh-oh. What's that? A giant spider! Oh no, it's just a dino squad. Ow! Ow! I'm gonna die! Ow! I died. You died! Yo!
I'm not going to watch.
Okay. This one is kinda... Come on. Okay. Okay, let's get this place. Stop talking, man! Okay. Come on! SCP. Oh my god. SCP. What's that? SCP-718. Is that I? Oh, they just staring at me. Look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Your eyes. Your eyes is weird. Nuh-uh. Let's go back. Nuh-uh. Okay. Okay, guys. I will just leave the game again. Hello, guys. Today we're gonna continue SCP contained breach Obi hug Hage detail Obi. Okay, I'm gonna start again. Okay, this one is SCP. SCP, guys. You can hear the music now. Oh, I'm so lagging. Oh, this one is kinda hard. Why is it kinda hard? Come on. Why is this kinda hard? Why man? Okay, what's that? What's that? Is that Obi? Why? Don't fall. What's that? It's just a Obi, bro. Why there's a duck there? Bro, it's dangerous. Nuh-uh. Is that... Who is his name? No. Uh-oh, no. Why? It's kind of creepy. No! Hey, get up! Wee! Yes! Finally. This one is the long video. Ow! I died. Why there's bubble there? Why is it? What's that? What's that? Is that YouTuber? Okay. Don't fall. Don't you dare to fall. Don't you dare. What's that? Uh-oh. Nuh-uh. No! Ow! 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 Why I'm freezing, guys? Huh? Okay, I'm just reset. I'm resetting, guys. Oh, stop. Hey. Why is this impossible? No. Don't touch it. Don't. You got. They will get hurt, bruh. Don't you dare to touch. Touch it. Yes. No. Please. Kinda hard. SCP. Uh-oh. No. 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 Don't fall. Oh no. This one's kinda hard. Uh-oh. No. SCP. This one is called SCP. I don't know what this number is. Uh-oh, what's that? Hmm? What's that? SCP. There's so many SCP. What? That's it? Wow. Why? Is that it? Come on, I need to escape. Okay, okay. Run. Run. Uh-oh. I'm stuck. Stop, help. Ow! Stop! Let's go! Stop! I'm not your friend, bro! Ow! Ay. Hey! Why this dude there? Ow! Why is it happening? This one is gonna... SCP-30... SCP-096 is kinda creeping me out. Why does a duck there? Stop! Stop this! No, stop! Wait! Yes! Because it's SCP-1373. What's that? Okay. Why there's no arm there? No, get out! No! Why there's blood there? Why? Why there's so many creepy? Come on. Ow! Yo, they're dropping me out. Sorry. Okay, don't shoot there. Good fall. Please. No! Don't fall. Don't shoot there. Good fall. Yes! Yes! Okay. What's that? I know that's the flamingo, guys. Is that flamingo? Ow! What's that? Is that flamingo? Okay, let's go. Ow! Ow! Stop! Stop! Oh no! Ow! I'm gonna die! Ow! Guys, it looks like flamingo birds, guys. Why? Why is it happening? Oh my god! No! 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 The game is over. Why? Why is it alone? What? I'm just gonna leave the game. Well, let's try this one, guys. SCP-096-OB escape. Okay, let's start. Okay, we're in SCP. Skip play. And then once color obis you play award. Okay. Stop pooping, bro. That's not funny. Welcome into the escape. SCP. Okay, I didn't read so far. Come on. Why is it happening? Stop. Okay, 4 of them is good. Ooh, yes. What's that? What? I need Robux? Oh, there's no Robux. Why there's SCP-096? Why is it the door's locked? Find the key and escape. Okay. Find the key. Where's to find the key? Oh, we should find... What's that? I can't find the key, bro. Why? Is it right there? Why am I so lagging? Why am I so lagging? Why am I so lagging? Okay, why is it lagging? Yo, I need a key, bro. Okay, let's leave this one is creeping me out. This one is, he said, play. And there's blood there. Said it's creepy. And then there's the Z. And this one is SCP-096 is kinda creepy. Is warning. Okay. I'm not gonna play this, guys. How about let's try survive SCP monsters to future. Okay, let's start. Okay. What's it lagging? Oh, we have badge. Okay. Let's reveal award. Why is it award? Oh my god, yes, yeah. Okay.